in this video of CD525, I'm going to introduce the article that is called "The 6 Mistakes Executives Make in Risk Management" by Nassim, Taleb, and other authors. What this article points to is that we think we can manage risk by predicting it. And the article basically criticizes this idea. The idea that we can predict risk, they say, is almost a fantasy because it is impossible to predict risk. And they try to explain why, and they are quite convincing, looking at 6 different reasons. So I really want you to read it because I want you to be convinced that the world we are in is not predictable. That the whole issue about leadership and about change has to do with the fact that the world we are in is fairly complex and unpredictable. If the world was predictable, it would be much simpler to live in it. And I'll just illustrate this with the second point that they make in the paper, but it's for you to read the other ones. One of the things that social scientists have done in certain disciplines is assume that if we know the past very well, it won't repeat itself, but also it helps us manage the future. What knowing the past does is allow us to know the past extremely well. But one thing we are sure of is that past events do not repeat themselves. So it's always difficult to know the future. Now you should read this article, and obviously we'll discuss it in class. In this case, we will discuss it both online and then during the residency week. I come back to it and I summarize fairly quickly. We can have a short discussion of it as well. Thank you very much.